Hey my peeps, let's make some cute Abominable Snowman cookies from like Rudolph. This is my version, the way I made them. I know there's a couple of versions out there, but this is, I found the easiest way. So you're just gonna get your cookie base, cookie dough colored. Then you're gonna get some white clay. That's gonna be our second layer, our icing. But it's also gonna serve a purpose for the fur that we're gonna make for the cookie. So then you're gonna get some blue clay, a little bit of blue clay, and you're just gonna roll that out and make a circle that's a little bit smaller. Use a smaller circle than the cookie cutter shape that you made, because we're gonna use these are gonna be part of the face. So you just need half of that blue circle, and then you're gonna you're gonna roll out a black circle, and you're only gonna need half of that black circle, and that's gonna go underneath the blue part, but you're gonna make sure to leave a space in between that, okay? So then you're just gonna get you some white clay, and we're just gonna roll out a couple of logs to go around the surface of the cookie, because that's how we're gonna make our fur, okay? So just try to make sure to roll it out as long enough to go around the surface of the cookie. But if you don't, like I did here, I didn't make it long enough, just cut out another little piece and attach it, because we're going to make fur out of it, so it doesn't have to be like exactly perfect or anything, because we're going to fix that anyways. Okay, so now make sure you put a piece of the white clay log in between the blue and the black, okay, because that's also going to be fur. So then I got me a pair of tweezers, and I'm just going to pluck it to make it look like fur, okay? I'm just going to go all the way around and pluck, 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 pluck. Make sure you pluck really well around the mouth and the face area, and so that it covers the blue and the black where it starts. And then you're going to go underneath that, and you're going to pluck the first layer of white clay that you put down, which was the icing part, okay? Like you're just going to make it look like one piece. So just pluck your little heart out so it looks like fur, okay? You could actually make the clay a little thicker around the face and the mouth if you want, but I don't know, I made it kind of thin. But you can just keep on plucking to make that fur come down a little bit more on the face and on the mouth area. So then I rolled out a piece of red clay, and I took a skewer and I just shaped like a heart shape, and it didn't come out that good, but that's okay, because this is clay and you can shape it into a heart. So then I cut it out with a little scissor, and then once I did that, you see it doesn't really look like a heart shape or anything like that, but you just mold it, and it'll work out just fine. It's clay, you can mold it to whatever you want it to be. So now I'm just gonna make the eyes. I took a little bit of white and a bit of black, and I'm just gonna make 2 eyes out of that. Just really need a little tiny piece. And I don't know if I should have made his eyes look a little bit crazy or not, but I don't know. After I made it, then I started thinking about it, and then I'm like, oh, well, it is what it is. But you guys, like I always say, I make it and you just improve on it, okay? Then he got to put his little nostrils on there, which I should have made a little bit thinner, but I didn't. But that's okay. You guys know who he is and what he's supposed to be. So when you make yours, you take your time and you do it a little better, okay? There you go. You got some Abominable Snowman cookies. And those are little deer cookies I made earlier. You can find that tutorial as well. So make you some. These are easy. You can make these with the kids. Pretty easy to make. Talk to you soon. Bye.